All right, guys, it's the evening. I'm going to go ahead and get ready to plant my grapevine. Yes. Let's go. Now, I will show you. Pull this, Corey. This is the grapevine. I have waited a little bit long, I will admit, but my first frost date is May 15th because I'm in zone 5B. And I'm not going to kid you. I don't want my stuff to go out there too soon. So, yes, I waited. But look at those roots. Okay? This is a very good experiment for me. I am not a fan of seedless grapes. Seedless anything, to be exact. And, you know, I really don't want to take all of the substance that they have on it off. But you see this right here? We don't need that. That was for moisture to keep the plant wet until it got to me. Yep, we don't need it. So this is why you gotta go through your plant and I like to do this to mine. Like anything I get from the store that I didn't grow from seed myself, I will go ahead and agitate it like so. And just be very careful and soft. And I do this just so that the roots can have the very best start with all that stuff that they put on there to actually save it for when it gets to me. I don't like that. They do stuff to preserve it. Then I take all their stuff off of it. Be back. It's over 3 minutes. Peace.